Welcome to this episode of EagleAir TV.
Shout out to Arvis Bank and the Nixa Education Foundation.
I'm Hendrix Trupp.
And I'm Wilbur High.
This episode includes girls basketball,
drone competition,
Buc-ees,
homecoming highlights,
and the Birdhouse review.
The Nixa girls basketball team has received some new faces.
Blake Edson takes us there.
Parkview High School, Kickapoo High School, and Nixa High School. What do these three have in common? They all have the same coaches. Coach Jim Pendergrass used to be the head coach for the Kickapoo girls basketball team. After having what many would call a successful career there, he went to Nixa. To many, it's still a mystery, but to us, Coach Pendergrass gave us the answers.
You know, I think this team is a really special team. Enjoyed really getting to know the girls and being able to coach them. They are a very unselfish team. They're a very hard-working team. You know, entering the season, we did not have a lot of players back with a lot of experience. So we had a lot of new players that had played a lot on the JV, and they've done a fantastic job transitioning into the varsity level. And you're seeing that success on the court, and you're seeing them grow and get better and better every day.
The Nixa girls basketball team has had what many would call a successful few seasons. But what do the girls think of the new coaching staff? Lily May gives us her opinions on the matter.
I would say they have a very different coaching style. Coach Tao is more of like quiet, like she just expects you to do what you do, and you know, Coach P was more of like a vocal, like, you know, obviously if you go back and you watch the games, you can see their different styles on that. It's just because, you know, we've always been rivals with Kickapoo. They've ended our season for 3 years now, so it was a sour taste, but he's been a great addition, and everybody loves him now. I would say our group is very unique this season just because we have a lot of girls who can play, you know, pretty much any position on the floor, so it makes us very versatile, and our bench is super deep as well. So, you know, if some people are struggling that day, there's definitely people who can come in and help them out.
Coach Jennifer Talbert had moved from Fairgrove High School to Nixa High School, even though after winning the Class 3 state championship, but also winning Class 3 and District 11 Coach of the Year. So why would she move from Fairgrove High School after having such a successful career there? Coach Talbert explains why.
Well, I think just Nixa, just the school in general, it has such a great reputation, and I think for me, I was intrigued to, you know, coach at the highest level in the state, like a Class 6 school. I loved being at Fairgrove, but it was obviously much smaller. So I think as a coach, you always want to push yourself and try something new. So that for me was, you know, go play some of the biggest and the best schools in the state. I played basketball growing up, and obviously it was always my favorite sport. And then when I went to college, I kind of realized that obviously after college, I'm not going to be playing basketball anymore. I'm not going to go be a pro basketball player, but I wanted to stay in the game. And so I knew I wanted to teach, and so coaching just kind of followed along with me. My whole life growing up, some of my biggest influences were coaches, so I think that played a big part into me wanting to be a coach.
For EagleAir, this has been Blake Edson reporting.
Hey Hendrix, did you know our high school has a drone team?
No, I did not. Zoe Walker takes us to the finish line.
Along with the high school's robotics team, there's also a drone team. Sergeant Robert Hodab, the high school's JROTC teacher and creator of the drone team, says it's a great way for students to compete in the STEM field.
Drone team is a STEM-centered opportunity for kids in middle school and high school to be able to compete in a confined area where we use drones.
There were different stations where pilots displayed their skills to the judges. Dalton Jones was one of these pilots.
So this is the teamworks field, and then behind me over there is the skills field. So each year there's a new game. This year, 2 teams are going to be working together to accomplish a set of goals, and then for autonomous, you're going to be programming a drone and then having it fly through a course on its own to try and accomplish tasks to get points.
Many teams enjoyed competing last year.
Since it was such a big hit last year, we decided to sponsor it again this year. So, so we have 15 teams coming from Mostly Missouri, but we also have some teams coming from Arkansas as well as Kansas.
Jones says there's a difference between robotics and drone team.
I prefer it to robotics, just because it's a lot more user-friendly. Robotics, it's easy to get a lot of big grand ideas about what you want to do with the robot and how you want it to run, but it's really hard to execute. Drone, it's a lot easier to get into it. It's a lot easier to get started. The coding can be a little scary at first, but once you get started, it's all right.
Jones's team placed first in the competition. For EagleAir TV, this is Zoe Walker reporting.
Buc-ee's is a well-loved location across the nation.
Chloe Fisher takes a look.
With a grand total of 47 Buc-ees worldwide, Missouri has had the opportunity to welcome their first store. Customer Chandalyn Hoffman has frequented several Buc-ees but had never visited the Springfield location.
I've been to lots of Buc-ees in Texas, and it's very similar to this. A lot more Texas-based stuff, but very similar.
Throughout the store, Buc-ees offers a wide variety of merchandise.
The home area, I love the home area, and I like the lotions and the jewelry. You can find some really cute jewelry.
Well, they have like this huge giant barbecue section, not like the barbecue meat that they sell, but actual barbecue cooking stuff.
Theodore Jordan recently visited the Springfield Buc-ees for the first time and enjoyed the different assortments of cooking appliances.
Like they have these huge spatulas that you can like beat people up with, and they have like cast iron cookware, all kinds of stuff like that. It's awesome.
For Peyton Hammond, Buc-ees was more than just a gas station. It was a small taste of home.
I love boiled peanuts. Man, I can't get boiled peanuts anywhere else. It reminds me of home so much. I love boiled peanuts. It's like a Georgian dish, and you can get it back home, but you can't get it here.
If you're like in that area, go to Buc-ee's. It's great. I love it.
If there's a Buc-ee's, you must always stop at that Buc-ee's on the way there and on the way back.
Throughout the United States, Buc-ee's is a must-have stop. For EagleAir TV, this is Chloe Fisher reporting.
Hey Hendrix, have you tried any of the Birdhouse coffees?
No, I have not, but I wish I knew what they tasted like.
Well, we have a snack club member to review them.
Today I'm here with one of our Nixa High School Snack Club members, Camila Figueroa. Hi. And today we're doing a Birdhouse coffee review.
The first one, it's called Melting Heart. Ooh, that one's really good. Like a 9 out of 10.
So how many students are in Snack Club?
There's about 12 of us. There's 2 from each grade except for freshmen. So, but like some extras. So, caramel macchiato. Oh, that one's really good too. It's not as sweet. I give that one a 10 out of 10. I like that one.
What exactly do you do in Snack Club?
So we try food that the kitchen staff wants to introduce into the cafeteria, and we say if it's good or bad, if the students would like it, what we should have more of, things like that.
And then next we have mocha with caramel. Ooh.
One's a little bit sweeter. 8 out of 10. Oh, Gatsby grind.
Gatsby
of
grind.
course. Okay, hopefully it's not too hot. Ooh, that one's good. It's not as sweet, it's kind of bitter. 8 out of 10.
And remember, all the money made by the Birdhouse goes to your business clubs. This has been Jenna Campbell for EagleAir TV.
Yeehaw! Winter Homecoming was on February 9th.
Hannah Sheeman takes a deeper dive into the festivities it brought.
Earlier this month, Nixa High School hosted a Spirit Week. Monday was PJ Day.
Who am I here with? Ava Morgan. Ava, what are you wearing? This shirt is from my sister's closet, and these pants are from Target.
My top is from Goodwill, and my pants are from my sister's closet.
Tuesday was Disco Day.
Who am I here with?
My name's Curtis McElhenney.
Where'd you get your outfit from?
This outfit was actually just purchased at Goodwill, and then I got the afro online.
I'm wearing my Amazon teacher shirt and my Walmart flare jeans, my Five Below disco headband.
Wednesday was Western Day. Who am I here with?
Russell Jackson Pomeroy.
Harrison Carter. Mitchell Wagner. Braden Anderson.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a hat from Academy, a shirt I got from my uncle, jeans from, I believe, the mall, and then boots I got from the Ozark Farm and Supply.
I am wearing a bolo, jean jacket, a belt with my last name on it, my great-grandfather, and jeans.
I'm wearing my great-grandfather's favorite shirt, my OCP shirt, my jeans, and my expensive work boots.
Wearing a shirt from Tractor Supply and rest of the stuff from home.
Thursday was Blackout. Who am I here with?
Sophie May.
And what are you wearing?
I got this from a thrift store and I got this from PacSun.
This, I don't know where it's from, H&M and Converse.
Friday was Neon. Who am I here with?
Hayden Meyer.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing my brother's Tennessee sweatshirt, North Face shorts, and white Hokas.
This is Lulu, this is Ari, and I don't know where these are from.
The theme for the homecoming dance was Disco Rodeo. For EagleAir TV, this is Hannah Sheeman reporting.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of EagleAir TV.
Be sure to check out our Instagram page and the Nixa Journalism website for more content.
Make sure to stay safe and you matter.
We'll see you next time.